Guys, did you ever face something like this before that? You want to do something new but don't know how to do it, or you sometimes quit the same thing because somebody has told you you won't be able to do it because this is how people have done and it's not working. Did you ever have been in the situation people advising you something that you should not do this? So hello everyone, Pranav here. Welcome back to my channel. Mera Namaste, आप सभी को. How are you guys doing today? I'm doing fantastic as always. So today I'm going to share with you three things which will definitely help you choose wisely, take a good step, and grow forward. Because these three things have helped me a lot, literally a lot. I'm sure you guys will be enjoying nowadays or accepting the fact that people around you saying that should not be done this way or you should not do this. Believe me, guys, after hearing this thing out and after you heard me speaking about the third point, let me tell you, that is something which no one would have told you. And so that is why I want all of you to stay till the end and watch this video. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. Let me start this by asking you a very simple question. Who is that first person or the first people around you you look forward for asking them their suggestion for any problem you face or any new idea which you come across? Like, you don't have to let me know in the answer, but I want you guys from today onwards, ask yourself this question before going to anyone and taking their opinion or experience. Guys, by the way, there is a huge difference between opinion and experience. You will know why I'm saying this. The question is, are they doing the same thing which I am looking to do? If the answer is yes, go for it and ask them. And if the answer is no, believe me, guys, don't go for them. Find somebody who has paved the way, who has done and become successful and achieved what you want to achieve in that particular field. So that's the first thing for you. Find somebody who has achieved more than you in the same field which you want to achieve. Find yourself a coach or mentor which can help you and guide you through the journey and make sure that you're on the right track. So, for the second thing, like I've already told you to ask that important question. If the answer is yes, go for it. But to whom to go for? Because someone or the other would have done that and might not have the results. So, use your intelligence, guys. That's the number two. Look forward for results. Look forward to see if that person has have the result you want to achieve or not. Like, many people have experienced and many people are here to give you all the information knowledge, but let me tell you guys, those information and knowledge is already available for free in the YouTube or Google. You just type it down and you have everything at your doorstep. But if you really want to become successful, if you really want to make it happen, use your intelligence and check results, check the background, check if that person is capable enough to guide you through it. And how you're going to find that is with the results. See, use your intelligence, go for results. And the final thing, like, it's one of my favorite thing, and I was fortunate enough that of late I understood this powerful concept of asking questions. You heard me right. Ask questions. The only question which is a dumb question is the question you never ask. Other than that, ask the most silliest question you can ever ask to anyone. Just don't let the curiosity of learning and knowing what is happening, because after all, it's your life. You should take charge of it. So ask question. If you have a doubt, ask question. If you want to know something, ask question. If you want to date somebody, ask her, ask him. If you want to do something different, ask to that person whom you can take advice from. Just ask question, because questions are the answers. The more questions you ask, the more answers you will get. And the quality of your question will define the quality of the answer you receive, and also the type of person you become at the end. So ask questions. So this is pretty much about the video, guys. I hope I was able to add value. And these three things has really helped me a lot to understand and make sure that things are going on in the right direction. And I'm blessed to have my masters, not only one, but several masters. If I have to take some name, they are being Master Shri Akarshana, because it literally saved my life and made me somebody who was sitting here and speaking in front of a camera. A shy boy who never used to talk to even people around him is speaking to so many people who is watching this video. Then I have Grant Cardone because I love the way he invests on real estate. Then I have Tai Lopez, like on personal development, Vishen Lakhiani, the way he focus on and like he stimulates my mind, how to take control and how to grow, not only like growth but also transformation, mastery on certain things which can help me. Robert Kiyosaki, like I can just go on and on and on, and believe me guys, you can have multiple master for multiple things. So focus, understand what you want, and then start researching about it, and then learn. So thank you so much guys for watching my video, tuning in today. I hope I was able to add value. If you guys feel the same, then do like this video, share it with your friends and family, and do let me know in the comment section where you guys are tuning in from. And also, what is that one thing you like the most from the video? It's amazing to know. So I'll see you next week again with a smashing video. Till then, mera namaste आप सभी को.